Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2012 Town and Country minivan, and in this short video I will show you which fuse to check in case your memory seats are not working. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. The power memory seat fuse is located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is right here next to the battery. To lift the cover, you will have two black clips on the right side. One is here, other one is here. So what you want to do, you want to press onto each of these to unlock the box and then lift it straight up. On the back side of the cover, you will have a small fuse diagram. Power memory seat fuse is fuse number J8, which is a 40 amp fuse located right here. So if this fuse is burnt, your power memory seat will not work. This is the first thing you want to check. If this fuse is good, I would look at the switch itself and then the wiring. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.